Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are going to talk about clock, time, minutes, hours. So we're going to talk about what? About time. Remember, time is very important in our lives. We have to know the time. Okay, when I ask about the time, we say, what time is it? What time is it? So, we have here a very interesting song about time. So, let's listen to this song and then we will complete. We have here clocks, as you see. Okay. What time is it? 1 hour has 60 minutes. Can you see the clock here? Alarm.
I was headed to the park. I decided to walk. As I left, I looked up and saw the time on the clock.
The time, we see the time on the clock.
The shorthand was after 9.
Shorthand for 9. And here the long hand for 5. So it's 9:25. We skip here by 5 minutes. Shorthand points to the hours. The long hand points to the minutes. Long hand points to the minutes. Short hand points to the hours. So we have here, as you see, I want to show you. I have here, we skip here by 5. We skip here by 5. This is 5 minutes and then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. So 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, let's complete.
Sidewalk chalk, thinking wouldn't it be fun to draw the time on a clock? Oh, yeah.
Let's help him. The hour hand pointing to the 11. It's 11 and 10 minutes. 11 and 10 minutes. Let's go to see. AM at night. PM noon at noon.
I got to Lexi's door and then rapped knock, knock. She entered the door and was pointing to the clock. The hour hand just after 12, the minute hand at the 4. 4 times 5 was 20 minutes. Her foot tapped on the floor.
What happened just now?
Time was 12:20.
12:20. And she was very annoyed.
Coming no later than noon.
Oh boy.
He was late.
When the hour hands on a number and the minute hands up.
So let's have a revision here. I have here the shorthand. As you see, the shorthand points to the hour. The long hand points to the minutes. So, what time is it now? It's exactly 9 o'clock. It's exactly 9 o'clock. Let's complete.
We know it's o'clock, whether breakfast or supper. If the hour hands right between two numbers per se, it's half past.
And now, what time is it? It's the short hand here points to between 3 and 4, and the long hand on 6. The long hand on 6, this means what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this is half past what? Half past 3 or half past 4? No, half past 3. Half past 3. 3:30. 3:30. Let's complete.
The hour, all 3:30 that day. With the long minute hand that represents the minutes gone by.
We know now.
Easy to tell time, and you soon see why.
4:30. Now 3:30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
And bought us 2 tickets. The movie we went to see.
They went to see a movie. The movie will start at 6.
6 the minute hand at the one.
6 and 5 minutes.
5, aren't we late?
And I was like, oh yeah.
They are late.
Finally got a seat. She told me I was cute, but I'd eaten beans for lunch and let out a loud toot.
Here's a tip, stretch of the hour hand. We're on the clock as it lands. The last number it went by tells you the hour of time.
On the way home we walked by the fishing dock. We looked up and saw that it was now 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
The minute hand pointed up, the hour hand at the 8. She said,
My curfew's 8:15. Oh, great.
it's 8:15.
They are so late.
In a hurry, we ran, we bounded to get Lexi home fast so she wouldn't be grounded. When the hour hands on a number and the minute hands up, we know it's o'clock, whether breakfast or supper. If the hour hands right between two numbers per se, it's half past.
It's half past.
10:30 that
It's half past 10. Half past 10 or 10:30. Now it's easy to tell the time.
each number on the clock is 5 minutes in it. If you skip count by 5, you'll tell the time lickety split.
Let's brush our teeth now. It's 11 o'clock. So they're going to sleep. Now let's complete. So let's have here some exercises on the worksheet. Guys, remember this. This is an analog clock. This is an analog clock. Remember the analog clock? Okay, we've got here between here the numbers 12 and 1. How many minutes? 5 minutes. How many minutes we got here? 5 minutes. 5, 5, 5, 5 until we got here 60 minutes. So if I ask you here, 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour gives me how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, so this is what the clock hands on these clocks show 4:15 and 4:30 and 4:30 minutes. Okay, we got here what we got here. As you see, we have here analog clock and digital clock. Yeah, and digital clock. So the first green clock here, the first green clock, it's what? What's the time here? It's 4:14. It's 4:15 minutes. And I can say it's what? It's a quarter past 4. Quarter past 4. Why quarter past? Because we got here 5 minutes, another 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So this is what? 4:15 or quarter past 4. Okay, and now what's the time here? It's 4:30. Half past 4 or 4:30. Look at the clock hands, write the time here. What do you think, guys? This is 1 o'clock, exactly 1 o'clock. And what about here, the second one? It's 8:30. 8:30, or I can say 8:30. 8:30. What about this? It's what here? It's, what do you think? It's here, guys. Let's count it together to make sure you understood this. This is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So this is what? It's 3 and 45 minutes. It's 3 and 45 minutes. It's 3 and 45 minutes. Or I can say it's 3:45. But it will be easier for you to say it's 3:45 minutes. Now I have another one. Gabriel sees this time, and on a digital clock, draw clock hands to show its time. This time is what? It's 7:30. So the short hand points to 7 and the long hand points to 6. Okay, this is the homework for Sunday. Please do this homework, and for extra practice, please do page 600, and I will show you. Just a moment, I will show you. Okay, this is the homework, and for extra practice, page 614. Thank you, my dear students.